Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. As you can see, I dengan Caca are not at the same room because of the RMO and this pandemic issue. InsyaAllah, kita doakan baik-baik sahaja apa sahaja yang terjadi. Kan? Okay guys, we're back dengan kita orang punya Wednesday segment. So our Wednesday segment this time, kita orang nak buat souffle egg
Omelette.
Yeah, souffle omelette.
Okay, so the ingredient will be eggs. Kita orang nak guna 2 eggs. Start ke? Okay.
Tak.
So
Okay.
Eggs, then pepper, and then a bit of salt. And if you need butter, then you have to have butter lah. Lepas tu, all you have to do is use everything yang you ada dekat dapur to make it nicer.
Kita guna saja apa yang ada.
So from now, both of us will be going to our dapur and make it, and we'll come back here and taste it, okay?
Taste it.
Yeah.
Sedap tak?
Let's see how hectic it is just to make an egg.
Hi guys, so ni Wani punya kitchen. I'm with the apron. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to try to do this. Let's get it. Okay, jom. Tak pecah pun.
Separate the yolk and the whites.
Meanwhile,
What happened? Bismillah. Okay lah. No, you have to do it manual. Kau garam tadi. Just do it like this. Wow. Close it. It's cooked.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, we're back.
Sorry, Wani punya dia makan masa lama sikit. Sebab nak tahu cerita kelakar tak? I tengah buat lah benda tu. I pakai I punya, apa ni lah, mixer tu kan? Whip kan? I whip. Kali tiba-tiba I punya mixer tu, dia macam
Mati.
Macam dia mati. So boleh lah, jadilah. Tapi I tak tahulah. So, you pun ada cerita
Okay,
kelakar?
I punya cerita adalah I punya rupa jangan expect apa-apa.
Sama weh, I punya pun tahu sebenarnya.
Doesn't look like the Instagram thingy at all.
Langsung tak? Dia macam kat YouTube langsung tak?
I'm so scared. Okay, let's show first.
Sure.
One.
Dia lipat.
1, 2, 3.
I tak boleh nak lipat.
Tanda je weh.
Tapi bila I tengok dia macam I potong tu sebab I nak tengok tadi apa dia ni dia jadi tak macam fluffiness tu. So lepas tu I tengok tadi macam okay. Tapi mungkin you punya sebab you tunggu I lama dia dah hilang lah. Dia punya tu dah. Dah turun. Okay, jom. Kita rasa I bawa roti lagi tau. Dengan coffee.
Wah. I tak adalah coffee. This is what it looks like, everyone.
Tapi dia fluffy lah.
Fluffy lah. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No.
I put cheese a little bit. Well, not bad.
Betul. I bakar roti.
Letak sausage sedap sikit.
Tapi gadinya tau.
Fancy-nya.
Dia macam-macam ECM.
Hello?
You start ke I start? Okay.
I letak banyak sangat garam.
Kebanyakan
Masin.
I punya tak kacau habis kot sebab around the edges tu. I punya around edges tu masin. Yang dalam tu ke?
I put garam masak.
I tak cakap bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Ya.
Dengan kopi. Tapi kopi biasa je lah. Dalgona. Empat lah kan. Buat.
Ada masa. Okay lah. Alright. Well, kalau telur ni jarang lah tak sedap. Okay, so that's it for our video kali ni. Kita orang buat how to pronounce it?
Omelette souffle.
Souffle.
Lah.
Bukan souffle.
Deal with me again. InsyaAllah kalau kita ada next like thing to do.
Idea, you know. If you guys have any idea, please do comment or DM us anything. We can try to make it. Okay, see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to stay at home. Make sure to sanitize yourself.
Yes. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.